Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading for Everyone channel. Today we're going to analyze another Forex broker. It's called FxView. As you can see here, it's a true ECN broker that is fully regulated all around the world. We're going to explain 10 main points that you should know before using this broker. For example, commissions, spread, how to deposit and withdraw money, the bonus that you can get if you sign up using the link that I leave you in the description and first comment, and more. This broker is in the market for more than 13 years. And it has a global presence because it's available in 180 countries. It's regulated in 30 different regions, different countries. So this is key when you analyze different Forex brokers to avoid scams. We said that this is a ECN broker. What it means, ECN stands for Electronic Communications Network. And in this way, you can trade with institutional grade liquidity. This is key when you trade because when you place an order, it's important that the order goes straight away to the market in order to avoid slippage and avoid losing any trading opportunity. When we talk about regulation, this is point number 1. You can see in this website that it's fully regulated in almost all countries in Europe, for example, Germany, France, United Kingdom, Spain, and more, but also has different regulations, for example, by the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission, also the regulation in India, Mauritius, and South Africa. So based on your location, your regulation could vary. Why it's important to search for regulated brokers? Because in this way you can avoid being scammed, introducing your money in weird platforms. Point number 2, you can get 100% deposit bonus if you use the link that I leave you in the description and the first comment. You are going to help the channel to keep growing, and also you can access to this deposit bonus. In here you have some examples. If you are looking this video from Europe, the minimum deposit is 200 euros. If you deposit 200, you will get a 200 euros bonus, so you can start trading with more capital. You are not going to be able to withdraw this bonus, but you can withdraw the earnings that you generate using this bonus, so you can start trading with more money. Remember to use the link that I leave you in the description and the first comment. Point number 3, which is the minimum deposit. Based on your regulation, this could vary. If you are under FxView Global, the minimum deposit is $50, for example, from Latin America and most of the countries in Asia and around the world. But if you are looking this video from Europe, the minimum deposit is 200 euros. If you click in the link in the description, you will access to this website in which you only have to complete with your name, your residence country, your email, and a strong password. Also, you have to enter your phone, your cell phone, and that's it. You will access to your account. Remember that you will have to comply with KYC verification process in order to access to a real account. Which assets you can trade using this broker? You can trade Forex, for example, the euro-dollar pair and more. You have the full list in here with all the trading conditions, for example, the spread, commission, and more. But also you can trade, for example, commodities, the oil, the gold, and all this is explained here. Index, if you prefer to trade, for example, with the Nasdaq 100, the S&P 500, the DAX, and more, you can also trade using this broker. Stocks, remember that are CFDs. They are not real assets. They are contracts in which you can speculate long or short to generate profits if the prices go up or down. But remember that when you use leverage, the risk increase. The more leverage you use, the more risk you have. You can lose all your money if you don't manage your risk properly. And here you have the full list of all the stocks that you can trade using this alternative. You have 27 pages to search. And also you can trade with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. The alternatives in regards to cryptocurrency are quite short. I believe that this could be improved in the future. If you need more alternatives, you can use, for example, a crypto exchange that we explained in the past in the channel. Point number 5, how you can deposit and withdraw money into FxView. To fund your account, you can use a bank transfer, a local bank transfer. Also, you can pay with debit or credit cards, Visa or MasterCard. And also, if you prefer, you can use digital wallets as Skrill or Neteller. So based where you're looking this video from, you can choose the alternative that best fits you. Remember that the minimum deposit could vary from one alternative to the other one. The good thing is you're not going to pay any fees to deposit money. And here you have the withdrawals alternatives. The processing time could vary from one alternative to the other one. And if you also prefer to use crypto, you can deposit, for example, USDT, USDC, that are stable coins. For example, if you have money in Binance or any other exchange or in your private wallet, you can deposit using your crypto, even Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then you can trade inside FxView and make a withdrawal also to your personal wallet. Point number 6, trading platforms. Using this broker, you can choose between MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or ActTrader. ActTrader is a trading platform that FxView developed. In here you have the full comparison between the 3 platforms with the different alternatives, for example, the indicators and the different tools that you can use to trade in a better way. The good thing about ActTrader is that you can use TradingView to trade. If you are used to use TradingView to make different technical analysis and you don't want to learn how to trade with MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you can select ActTrader and start trading using your current knowledge in regards to TradingView. If you want us to create another video explaining any of these alternatives, or if you have any question, you can leave a comment and we will be happy to help you. Point number 7, spreads, commissions, and leverage. As we explained before, FxView give you a raw ECN account to have better liquidity and speed execution. The spreads will vary based on the asset that you are trading with, also the commission. You can trade with a leverage up to 500x, but this could vary based on your country. If you are looking this video from Europe, this leverage will be smaller. If you go to the different tabs in which we explain the different markets or assets that you can trade inside this broker, you can see the different spreads that this broker is going to charge you based on the assets that you prefer to trade. So you have all the information here. Also, the minimum trade size is a good thing that you can trade with micro lots. So in this way, you can start trading with low amount of money. What about the leverage? The leverage will be dynamic based on the amount of money that you are trading with. For example, if you're trading with 0 to 100 lots, you will have this amount of leverage. And if you have a lot of money and you trade with more than 200 lots, the leverage will decrease. You have in here the full details. Point number 8, they give you the possibility to use ZuluTrade. There is a copy trading platform in which you can select the performance of other traders. You can copy them and in that way you can generate passive incomes. But remember that this is a really risky tool, because if the trader starts losing money, and if you already copy that trader, you also are going to lose money because your performance is attached to the performance of the trader. So remember to use this alternative with a low amount of money, and also diversify in different traders in order to not be attached to only just one trader. Point number 9, demo account. Remember that you can also create a demo account, so you can start practicing with a demo account, virtual money, fake money, before depositing any dollar. In this way, you can understand how the market works, how the platform behaves, and when you are sure about it, you can start depositing money. And point number 10 is that you have different type of benefits. For example, they give you a free virtual private server, a VPS, and they also have a lot of educational content. If you are a beginner and if you want to start learning how to trade, you have plenty of alternatives to start learning. Also, you have a trading calculator, for example, economic calendar, and more. That could be really useful tools if you're an active trader. Remember to use the link that I leave you in the description and the first comment in case that you decide to open an account in this broker. In that way, you're going to get this 100% deposit bonus, and also you are helping the channel to keep growing. Remember to subscribe, to leave a comment if you have any question, and we will see you on the next video.